Welcome back everyone. You may be having an issue with your PlayStation 4 controller where for some reason that controller just isn't charging. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing I would highly recommend you to do is to actually make sure that your controller that you're using is actually fully functional and that port doesn't have a lot of different crumbs or dust or anything within it. I've seen in my experience anytime I try to charge up a device and it actually has a bunch of stuff inside of it, that can create a loose connection of that charger, and you may want to clean out, grab a little toothpick, a non-metal item, and go ahead and scrape the inside of it gently and try to pry out any dust or anything that's inside of it, and that may end up actually fixing it for you. It's not a guarantee, but it is one extra thing you can do to pretty much fix that. Now if that doesn't fix it, another thing you can do is to verify that the charger block or charger that you're using is fully functional. So maybe you try charging up a different PlayStation 4 controller or a different device as a whole that uses that same port, and you want to see if those devices charge. If those devices charge, then you can move on to the next thing. But if those devices do not charge, well, then you pretty much found your problem. That charger is not functional and you may want to go ahead and replace that charger in order to actually fix that specific problem. So that's another big thing you can do to pretty much fix it there. Now let's say it does charge up other devices but it's not charging your specific controller. Well, the next thing I would do is try out a different couple chargers if you have them laying around. If not, you may want to go ahead and make sure that that controller is even functional at all. So at this point, I would probably recommend just contacting Sony, their PlayStation support, and having them take a look at your console or your controller, and if it's still deemed like it's not working or whatever, well then there's really not much you can do with a broken controller. You can try replacing it, you can try fixing the part, but ultimately you may be better off just buying a new controller at the end of the day. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.